Hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing 3rd grade Module 2, Lesson 16. Our objective today is that we're going to add measurements using the standard algorithm or set of steps to compose larger units twice. Alright, first we're going to do an application problem. So, here's our problem. Okay. Can I find my mouse here? Right here. Josh's apple weighs 93 grams. His pear weighs 152 grams. What is the total weight of the apple and the pear? Oops, there should be a question mark right there. Right off the bat, I would like you to do this with using a tape diagram to show your work. Okay, so I try to figure out if we're finding the total, we have the apple and the pear. Are we going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? That's right, we're going to add. So use the tape diagram to show your work, pause the video, and give it a shot. Well, welcome back. Okay, here we go. Told you to use a tape diagram. So how many pieces of tape are we going to use? Well, we're going to need a piece of tape for the apple. We're going to need a piece of tape for the pear. So let's do that. Here's my rectangle, my piece of tape. Now I'm going to divide it in half right here. And this is going to be the apple. And this is 93 grams. This is the pear. It's going to be 152 grams. And now we're going to label this. Here's my apple. And here's my pear. And I need to find the total. Okay? Now, right here, if you draw a line, you'll know that you're going to write your answer here, and then you'll already have it written down. You won't forget it. Okay, so now we're going to do an addition sentence because I know I need to add this apple and the pear to find out how much the total is. So I'm going to just write the larger number on top just because it's handy. All right. Now, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 9. I'm going to use my 10 trick, so I know that 9 is real close to 10. So 10 plus 5 is so easy, that's 15, but this isn't 10, this is 1 less. So 1 less than 15 is 14. Now, here's where the lesson changes. Normally we would carry our 10 up, or our 100 up here, right? Our 10 for the 14. We're going to do something a little different today, and instead of putting them up on top, we're going to put it down here. Whoops, that's still an eraser. We're going to put it right here so it crosses this line to help us remember to add it. And this is going to help us so that we don't forget. Sometimes we forget. 100 plus 100 is 200. So I know it's going to be 245. What? Labels. We need labels. It's going to be 245 grams. Okay. Excellent. Now, whoops, here is our problem, and I wrote the words up here and you can't see it because of this other application. So, here's what I can tell you. There are 2 bags of beans. Bag A has 266 grams of beans. Bag B has 158 grams. Okay. Now, we need to find out how many grams total both of the bags weigh. So we're going to first of all use the place value chart. So when I do 266 grams, I can put them in their spots, right? So 6, this is the 6 ones, so I'm going to put 6 ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 10s? 6. So we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how many hundreds? 2. Okay. 1, 2. Now I'm going to see if I can change the color of my ink. First I have to find my mouse. Okay, let's go blue. And let's do this one. 8, we got to go backwards, so we're going to go to the ones. There's 8 ones. So I'm just going to add it onto here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many tens? 5. Okay, so I'm just going to add it on to the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many hundreds? 1. So I'm just going to add it right here. Okay, now change the color of the ink and let's see if we can regroup anything. Okay, do I have any tens here? Yes, I have a group of tens right over here, and I'm going to move them over here. Okay, actually I'm going to leave that as black, so this is going to come over this way. I'll put the 10 over in the 10 spot. Do I have any group of tens here? Yes, I do. I have a group of 10 right here. I'm going to move it over to the 100 spot because 10 tens is 100. Okay, find my mouse. I'm going to move it over here. Now we count up what is left over. So how many ones do we have? We have 4 ones, not grouped. We have 2 tens. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. We have 424 as our answer. What's on my label? Grams. Okay? Now I want to show you another way that we need to do this. Okay, we're going to do exactly the same problem, but we're going to do the standard algorithm. So that means the basic way to add, the basic steps. That's all that those fancy words mean. So bag A had 266 grams. Bag B had 158. Now we're going to do the standard algorithm. That means the normal way to add. That's all that means. Okay. Now, let's do that. 6 plus 8. That's real close to 15 because I know 8 plus 7 is 15. So that's less. That's 1 less. So 1 less than 15 is going to be 14. Now, remember how normally we would carry our 10 up high? This time, what are we doing? We're not doing that. We're putting it down low. So we're putting it right here underneath, and it crosses this line. Okay? This is where I'm putting my regrouping 10. Okay, 6 plus 5 is what? It's 11. Add 1 more. We have 12. Okay, not going to put it up here. Not going to carry my 100 over here. I'm going to put it right here. Cross this line. Now I have 200s plus 100 is 300. Plus 1 more 100 is 400. And we label it. This is the new way that we're going to be doing this, okay? So, pay very close, Pay very close attention to this spot right here, okay? We're not moving them up high anymore. We're putting them down low. We're crossing the line so that we don't forget to add. Sometimes it gets mixed in and we forget to add it up. And this should help us with that problem. Well, good luck with your homework. See you in the morning.